Hey guys, so today I'm here with a clothing haul. I wanted to show you guys some things that I recently got in, and I wanted to share these specifically because all of these pieces are under 50 bucks, so they're really affordable. Actually, most of them, I want to say they are 30 and under, so you know, even better. But this is kind of a scattered lot. I got them from a couple different stores. So first I got these rust colored high-waisted pants. Just FYI, if you haven't noticed by now, I love a good high-waist situation. I love high-waisted pants. I just find them so flattering, and I especially love this color for fall. It's almost here, it's winding down, the summertime is winding down, so fall is coming, and I think these will be great for once it starts getting cooler. I really like the belted waist. I love the tortoiseshell type of pattern on the belt, the buttons, stuff like that. Next item from ASOS is kind of noisy, so I'm a little concerned with when I actually wear this how noisy I'm going to be as I'm walking by. But I just love this skirt. What I really liked about this, aside from the top of it, is how it looks when it's on. It kind of bellows out. You can never really go wrong with a mini skirt. The color is great. It's a nice neutral. It goes great in my wardrobe. I have a lot of things that I can wear with this skirt, so had to pick this up. My next item from ASOS. This is probably my favorite thing I've gotten off ASOS all year. These jeans right here, and I thought these were pretty different with the sequins and the distressing. They're not butt smashers. They look flattering. I love how they stand out. I love that you can just put a basic white tee or a white shirt on and still look cool, still look like, you know, you have a really slammy outfit. And then the last thing I got from ASOS is this really bright orange jumpsuit. First of all, the color really jumped out at me. It's very eye-catching. It's very like bam in your face. I'm really digging the wide legs on it. Now I love a good jumpsuit, easy to throw on. This to me screams vacation. So lately I've been shopping on a site called J Lux Label, which I found on Instagram. I got this skirt, powder pink midi skirt, and it has opening in the front, belted. The material doesn't feel cheap or flimsy or anything. Has a nice weight to it. From Nasty Gal, I got two items. First, I got this two-piece set, this blue and white striped set. Kind of puts me in like a beachy type of vibe. I thought this would be great for summertime, just easy and flowy and nice. The top is a tie front, and the bottom, it has like a crossover tie waist with a slit on the side. Always like a side slit action on a long skirt. Just throw that leg out and be, you know, real saucy and stuff. And then I got this top. It's cropped, and I like the neckline on it. The tortoiseshell buttons is a really nice contrast with the rest of the top. The fluttery shoulders just kind of makes it look dainty and whimsical a little bit. And I think this will be great to wear just casually with a pair of high-waisted jeans. Just pop this on right on top, or a high-waisted skirt, high-waisted midi skirt. I think that'll look nice, or a pair of wide leg pants. So a couple different options with this top, and I plan on wearing it all of those ways that I just mentioned. From Zara, I got two things. First, I got this skirt right here, which is actually a skirt. You guys remember when skirts used to be super popular back in the day? I feel like they're making a comeback, and I didn't think I would be into skirts, but when I saw this one, I was like, ooh, I have to get that. So what I really love is how it looks in the front, how the crossover looks in the front. It just looks really nice. It has some distressing, has this raw edge hem. To me, this is like a level up from just basic denim shorts or just a basic denim skirt. It's kind of like the best of both worlds, but even better. The other thing I got from Zara is an item that I've actually worn a couple times already. For me, it has fast become one of my favorite tops in my wardrobe. It goes with so many things. Sometimes when I'm like, I don't know what top to pair with this, I'll immediately think of this piece. I already love off the shoulders, and this one is so comfortable. I love how it flutters out. It kind of gives you that volume up top and a little bit of an exaggerated look without being too much. But yeah, this is so multi-purpose, very well made. The material and the quality is excellent. And the last thing I got, this joint right here, a little floral number. It kind of reminds me of a garden party where, you know, you're just eating little sandwiches, socializing and stuff like that. I like the print. I thought it was really nice and summery and flowy, and I like the construction of the dress. It has a slit in the front, so you can breathe and walk and flow and sashay and do all that good stuff. On one side it has a sleeve, and then on the other side it has a spaghetti strap. So the sleeve situation is different on each side, which I actually liked. Alright guys, so those were all of the things that I got. That concludes my haul. As always, I will put the links to everything that I just showed you down below in the description box. So if you saw something that you might want to grab yourself, be sure to check that out. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch up with you on my next video. Bye.